On February 16, 2023, Altamonte Springs Police in Florida got a call about a customer in the McDonald's drive-thru who pulled a gun because she did not receive a free cookie. According to court documents, Amari Hendricks, 24, of Florida, argued with employees over a free cookie and ran
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Gun.
Exit the car. Hands. Exit the car.
What?
Exit the car.
How you gonna tell me to exit?
Out of the car. Put it in park.
Who you yelling
Just give me
at? Who
traffic.
you yelling at?
Right here. Hands on the
Who you
hood.
yelling at?
Hands on the hood.
Who you yelling
Do you have a
at?
gun? Hey, but hands on the hood. Stop arguing. Hands on the hands on the hood.
My hands is on the hood. Why have to put my hands on the hood? Am I arrested?
You're being detained. Hurry up.
You see what they're doing?
Got it. Give him traffic. Hey, Altamonte. What else is 10-6, 1033 for the units at McDonald's. 240 South State Road 434, 240
Get my
South
bond
State Road
money
434,
ready.
1135 hour.
You're being detained.
You heard
flash
me?
a gun there?
This section was muted by the agency because of an ongoing investigation. The report says a worker sees Hendricks insert a magazine into the handgun and rack the slide, then hears clicking sounds associated with someone chambering a round.
Why y'all doing all this? Why cost for all these cops?
Because they said you shot a gun over there.
Huh?
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
That's all.
You just came here. Why you getting all hostile? Hello? I'm on the car. I'm on the car. You don't have to.
Just put her in the car.
No, you don't have to put me in the car. You don't have to. Let me get my
Hey, do not pull away from him.
I'm
Listen
not
to him.
pulling away from him.
I'll fight it.
Bro, what is my stuff, bro? What is you doing?
Your car?
What are you doing? Why you almost broke my arm? That's a lawsuit.
You're pulling away from him. Just
I'm
listen to
not
what he's
pulling
saying.
away from him.
I
I
watched
just
you
pulled
do
away
it.
from him not
I
one
watched you
time.
do it.
Hendricks was given the free cookie and a free ride to jail, where she was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, battery, and resisting arrest.